Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix uncaught error call to a member function get card content count on null, and then you see the error occurred on line 3 of snippet code. So we are going to fix it in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our code and we are using this code for email template. So this code deactivate auto, and then you see line of error. So we are going to fix it. So you can replace this line with this line. Now you see variable same, and then you see is object question mark, and then we are going to get cart content count. Basically we are going to display total product quantity item on email. Now remove this line. So this is a new line. Now you see, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then on top you see inactive, now active, and then click on update. Now you see snippet updated and you don't see any error. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.